I'm going to be honest with you guys. I've been doing business for a long time and I've also failed a few times, but I've never given up. Now, I've already made over $147,000 with dropshipping alone using AI. Now, I'm not a gatekeeper, so I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. Dropshipping had always caught my attention. I was just fascinated by the fact that dropshipping entrepreneurs manage their retail businesses without the hassle of stocks. Imagine a retail business where you sell products without even keeping a single item in stock. But hold on, I've got something even more fascinating in store for you. What if I told you that AI is now taking dropshipping to a whole new level? Stick around to hear how AI helped me with my retail journey, making it easier, smarter, and more profitable than ever before. Today, I'll show you a strategy that actually worked for me, that you can easily copy and start earning big money. So, what exactly is dropshipping? In dropshipping business, the seller doesn't keep any stock on hand. It's like having an invisible warehouse, making it super flexible and cost-effective. You, as a seller, get all the credit for marketing and selling the product. But here's the kicker. You don't have to worry about product quality, storage, or even inventory management. It's like being a retail mastermind without the hassle. So, how does it work? Well, instead of dealing with mountains of inventory, you act as the middle person. You receive customer orders and quickly pass them on to the manufacturer, wholesaler, or even a fulfillment house. And they handle the rest, shipping the goods directly to the customer's doorstep. Alright, so no storefront? No problem. With dropshipping, you can work your retail magic from anywhere. Your home, a beach, or even a cafe in the neighborhood. In other words, you have the freedom to work anywhere. You're not tied to a boring office. And of course, you get profit on each sale. The difference between the wholesale and retail price is your golden ticket to success. And don't worry about hidden fees sneaking up on you. Just watch those profits soar. Now, I won't sugarcoat it. Like any retail venture, there are challenges. But no worries. With the right strategy, you can turn challenges into opportunities. These tools that I'm going to reveal are your secret weapons to stay ahead of the curve. They'll streamline your operations, optimize customer interactions, and boost your efficiency. One of the big shots in the AI world is ChatGPT. But wait guys, I found an even cooler tidbit. I'm excited to introduce you to Google Bard. Okay, so both ChatGPT and Google Bard operate in a similar style, but here's the best part. They have a key distinction. While ChatGPT's knowledge is capped at September 2021, Google Bard is fully up to date. That means when you ask ChatGPT a question, it will provide answers only until September 2021. However, Google Bard is your go-to source for the latest and greatest information, making it more accurate and precise. Alright, let's talk specifics. From what I've learned, if you're hunting for precise details about products or need help generating compelling marketing content like product titles, descriptions, and About Us sections, Google Bard is your ultimate business partner. It's the go-to option for all your marketing and e-commerce related needs. Now, here's the twist. If you're looking for content creation, getting ideas, and gathering information, both ChatGPT and Google Bard have their own special flair. However, bear in mind that Google Bard is your best companion for textual information. It's not focused on visual content. This is where our next AI tool, Flair, comes in. When it comes to dropshipping, having an eye-catching landing page is an absolute game changer. You want to impress your visitors and outshine your competition because, hey, that's where all your traffic is heading. Now, here's a pro tip. Don't just slap together a generic Shopify store in a hurry and forget about the visual appeal. You're not alone in selling that awesome product, so add some uniqueness to your offer and stand out from the crowd. Did you know that uniqueness can make all the difference? It could be your witty product title, a compelling product description, or even a creative pricing structure. But one thing you should absolutely focus on is the product images. They can make or break your game. Here's where the magic happens. I use Flair to create awesome product images. Just grab a picture from Google and Flair will work its wonders, removing the background and placing your product in a super realistic environment. Done. I can then export it and display it on my product page. It's a quick and easy way to enhance its visual appeal. Now, I head over to Photoshop AI. It's like having ChatGPT or Google Bard for graphic design. With a simple prompt, I am able to customize any area of my image and let the AI work its magic in seconds. It's still in beta mode, but trust me, it's a game changer. Flair and Photoshop AI are two secret weapons that I use to take my product images to the next level. If Flair doesn't hit the mark, Photoshop AI allows me to tweak or create my own designs from scratch. This dynamic duo has made a winning combo, and it continues to work like a charm. Now we are going to design a cool logo. Don't worry, you don't need any design experience or much time. Let me introduce you to Luca. This AI-powered tool can whip up a fantastic logo for your brand in just a few seconds. First things first, I type in a company name and then let the magic unfold. Then brace yourself as you're going to be presented with a wide array of sleek logos tailored specifically to that industry. Did you know? Luca knows precisely how to capture the essence of your brand just by analyzing your company name. Cool, right? Alright, let's get further. I can customize a logo with a splash of color and even toss in a catchy slogan for that extra creativity. And here's the even better part. Luca will give you a variety of symbols to choose from. Press a button and in seconds, Luca whisks up a slew of logo ideas catered to one's preferences. Once I find my dream logo, I can tweak it to perfection, ensuring it aligns perfectly with my brand identity. Luca has me covered on all fronts, providing logos in various formats, social media covers, and website integration. But hey, I'm an honest helper, so here's the catch. Luca might ask you to pay for exporting your logo. Still, trust me, it's worth every penny if you're in time crunch and want a top-notch logo pronto. But if you're a budget-conscious entrepreneur, check out Hatchful by Shopify. It's a free alternative to Luca, but it might not offer as many logo options, and the designs might not be as impressive. Nevertheless, it's an option worth exploring. Moving on. In my journey to financial freedom, I wished I had an AI tool that could keep tabs on my competitors effortlessly. Well, then I discovered Browse.ai, an automated competitor monitoring business partner. With this clever tool, you won't need to lift a finger as you dive into the world of e-commerce espionage. Let me break it down for you. With Browse.ai, I can simply point and click on any website I want to keep an eye on. Whether it's tracking new products or catching sight of their latest ads, Browse.ai has me covered. Did you know that you can search for winning products by monitoring an e-commerce store's product updates? Just head to their website and type /collections/all in the domain name to see all the products listed. I then copy that URL and head over to Browse.ai's robot section. Select Monitor Site Changes, paste the URL, and done. Now I'll receive notifications whenever they upload new products. Easy, right? But wait, it gets better. If I want to get a sneak peek at their Facebook ad library and Google Ad Transparency, Browse.ai's got my back here too. By capturing text and monitoring these platforms, I'll be able to stay in the loop on their latest ad strategies. That's like finding a winning product without breaking a sweat. Plus, I can customize the frequency of updates to fit my needs. Alright, let's take it up a notch. I can also monitor a store's Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or Pinterest pages. The possibilities are really endless. Did I mention that I can even track a store's Google Ads using Browse.ai? Just search for Google Ad Transparency on, Google, then I type in the website and I'll have a sneak peek at their Google Ad activities. I don't spend hours anymore creating eye-catching content for my social media platforms. Now I use the AI tool, Magic Design, to create content for my products. This innovative feature lets me bring my product to life by simply uploading an image. Magic Design has a lot of filters, giving me the power to create cool content for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, or TikTok. You literally can craft anything, from striking feed posts to engaging stories, all of it with just a few clicks. Plus, here's the best part. You get to pick the perfect format, style, or theme that best suits your brand and audience. So guys, get to work because it's really being made easy for you now by AI. Don't be like the 98% of the population that gives up too quickly or don't even try. This video probably went by fast, so please rewatch to make sure you followed every step correctly. Please keep in mind, making money always takes time and effort. Have fun and don't give up. So guys, start now and escape the matrix. Let me know in the comments down below what your thoughts are on using AI to enhance your dropshipping business. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Escaping the Matrix content. See you soon.